Claire and Nora is marketed as an online fashion store offering stylish clothing, boutique branding, and massive discounts that can look difficult to ignore. The website can make it feel like you're getting premium fashion at incredible prices. But the real question is, can you actually trust the big discounts? Now, to be fair, sales and promotions are normal in online shopping. The problem starts when huge discounts become permanent and create pressure to buy quickly. What it does well. The clothing designs can look attractive. Product photos are designed to create a premium impression. The website may look professional. Modern e-commerce designs can create a polished shopping experience. Where the concerns start appearing. Constant large discounts can be a warning sign. This is the biggest issue. Permanent 50 to 80% sales can sometimes create artificial urgency. Premium branding does not guarantee premium products. Marketing can create stronger expectations than reality. Product photos do not guarantee real-world quality. Images may not always match materials, sizing, or fit. So, can you trust the big discounts? Short answer, be careful. Large discounts are not automatically fake, but they should not be treated as proof of a great deal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.